Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be decluttering several spaces in my house. I did this over a week's time. If you're following me on Instagram, I did just do a decluttering challenge over there, so I am going to be sharing more of the spaces that I decluttered over here. I'm really excited to share this with you guys. If you guys are in that mode where you're decluttering and reorganizing your home, this is going to be the motivation and inspiration that you need. So without further ado, we're just going to go ahead and jump in, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So the first space that we are going to declutter today is my cleaning products cupboard. This is where I keep the majority of my cleaning products, and as you can see here, it needed to be cleaned, reorganized, and decluttered. So this is what we're going to start with first. And I haven't seen you in years, but I know you. Oh, I really missed you. Before when I met you, I never saw. I just want to put a disclaimer here that anytime you're doing anything new with your home, you do not have to go and spend tons of money. You guys, I always look for budget-friendly ideas. So I did pick up a few new baskets to organize with, and I picked them up from Walmart and Target, but they were only a couple of dollars. So keep that in mind when you do see videos on YouTube and everybody getting all of the new organization bins and the new things, that you can do it budget-friendly. So that's what I'm doing here. So again, this is where I just took everything out and I laid it out so I can see everything that I have and kind of where I want to organize everything and what I want to put together. And then I also took anything that were empty bottles or trash or wrappers, and I threw those in a trash pile. Later in the video, I'm also going to be decluttering my purse and my clothes in my dresser drawer, so stay tuned for that. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and just threw this together so I can see how everything looks, how I want it to come out. I also went ahead and tested out which bottles or which products I wanted to go in which basket, so it just gives me an idea on how everything is going to be organized. So now we are going to go ahead and get everything together and put them in their spaces. If you're new to my channel and this is your first time hopping on one of my videos, hello, my name is Lindsey, and if you enjoy decluttering and cleaning and organizing and mom life in general, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you a part of our family here. We have nothing but positive vibes and uplifting women down in the comments, supporting us and inspiring each other. So just hit that subscribe button and introduce yourself if you are new. Alright you guys, so we got everything put away. The diffusers I'm going to go ahead and take out and put them around the house because I just ordered a bunch of new oils, essential oils. And then that is trash. So I wanted to show you under here how everything came out. I absolutely love it. Now the goal obviously is just to go ahead and keep it organized, keep it clean. Right here I went ahead and put all the microfiber towels and the e-cloths. If you guys do not know, e-cloths are absolutely amazing, you guys. I always have a link in my description box for it. They just allow you to not even have to use any products. You just get the towel wet and then the product is in the towel. So it's really awesome. You should check it out down below. Back there are my Dyson pieces. These are my smaller things like brushes and scrubbies. We have some gloves here, baking soda. All my multi-surface cleaners are back there, and then some more and all-purpose cleaners. They're all right here. The counter sprays, everything you spray. I'm definitely going to be minimizing on some of this stuff. I'm going to be starting to get the Thieves cleaner. And just because Mrs. Meyer's, if you use the Think Dirty app, Mrs. Meyer's is not that non-toxic as I thought. Here are all my empty glass spray bottles and what I use for like my vinegar and essential oils DIY cleaners. So that's what I have 2 bottles of down there. I like to use those for like my refrigerator, my microwave, stuff like that. The other stuff I went ahead and put in here. So this we already had, like our dishwashing soap and our dish soap. And then I have this little jar here, which is those things. And then some of these are like little soap dispenser holders and scrubby holders and things. So that is it. I hope you guys got some inspiration from this organization. So what we're doing here is we're going to go ahead and declutter and organize our drawers. So I went ahead and started by taking everything out of my drawers, and this is where I keep like my workout clothes, some t-shirts, leggings, things like that. So I'm going to go through everything. I'm going to refold it, and then I'm going to put it back Konmari style back in my drawers, because that's kind of something I've been doing for years and I just really like how it looks. I don't do Konmari down to a T, but I do try and fold the way that she teaches to fold. So that's where you fold your clothes and it can actually stand up. Your tops and your pants will stand up straight. So that's what I'm doing here.
Touch me across the room. Your glances tells me that I am doomed. Is there a way to cool you down? Just one mistake and I am out. It's my fault. I'll give you my heart. You can crush it. Moving on. I'll be on my way if you want it. I surrender to you. Yes, I am waving the white flag. I surrender.
So I was actually getting some footage to show a friend and also for Instagram. If you're not following me over there, I like to show a little bit extra stuff on there. So make sure you go ahead and follow me over there.
I'm waving the white flag. I'm waving the white flag. I'm waving the white flag. I'm waving the white flag, yeah. It's my fault. Moving on if you want it.
So now that we finished decluttering, this is my pile that we donated.
To you. I'm waving the white.
All right, you guys, so this is a different day, and this is when I went and decluttered through our socks. So I have this little bucket here that is full of lost socks. I keep it on my washer and dryer. Anytime I wash a load and I'm missing a match, I will look through this bin. So what I did is went ahead and prepared for this video and washed all of the laundry so that I can make sure that I had all of the socks in our houses and we can see what's really missing and declutter it and throw it away. If you guys have done something like this, comment down below and let me know. I'm just curious. But if you haven't, this is a really, really great way to minimize on your socks and not have to worry about any more lost socks. Just get it squared away, get rid of them, and move on.
Great, however, this can't wait for the better. Let us talk forever now. 'Cause baby, you and I, we lay awake at night, trying to find a light to keep this fire alive. Oh baby, you and I, we can't deny this fire. Oh, this fire. I'm drowning in your arms, still I want it all. 'Cause I did not.
All right, you guys, so here are all the matched socks. Those are hubby's, Isaiah's. He does his own laundry, so I only had a few of those. And then Ava's and my socks. So over here is the declutter pile. This is all the socks that either didn't have matches or they were just kind of old and grungy and it's just time to go. So yeah. Anyway, Thanks for watching day 3.
All right, this is probably one of my most satisfying declutter and organizations that I have done so far this year, and it was my messy purse. This is really embarrassing to show you guys, but in the midst of momhood and just running around, I don't stop and reorganize my purse every day I use it, and it can get messy in one day of me using it. So I am so happy with the results. You guys stay tuned for how the purse looks after this, but we're just gonna dive in and start decluttering. So the best way to do this is just throw everything out of your purse so you start with a clean slate. Also go ahead and take a microfiber towel and just get some soapy warm water on that towel and scrub the inside of your purse. So I did have some makeup at the bottom of my purse that I wanted to get out.
'Cause now I got a clever mind. 'Cause baby, you and I, we lay awake at night trying to find a light to keep this fire alive. Oh baby, you and I, we can't deny this fight. Oh, this fight. I'm drowning in your arms, still I want it all. 'Cause I deny it, deny I am drowning in your arms, still I.
So what I'm doing here is I'm actually using my receipts and putting them on the Fetch app because that's an app I use that just kind of tracks points and turns them into like credits for movie tickets and things like that. So it makes it easier if you just lay everything out and you see everything that you want to organize back in your purse and everything that you want to go ahead and throw away.
I was at the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky. When you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy.
And this is how it looks now. Everything is in its place. I have bags in there to organize everything and cases and all that good stuff. Just know you don't have to have anything expensive or fancy. Just going to like the Dollar Tree and picking up some different little makeup bags where you can kind of put your things in little places and keep everything nice and neat and tidy.
Love a little louder.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got tons of decluttering inspiration. If you guys did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye.
You give me butterflies.